So let's see how to install Terraform on a Mac. If you're on Mac, just Google for install Terraform in your browser and just click on this link that appears. So here you will see the binaries that are available for download. If you are on Intel chip, you can download this version, or if you are using Apple-based like Silicon chip M1 or M2, whatever, you can download this ARM64 package. Okay, so I'm just going to download this one. Okay, so I'm going to unzip the file that I downloaded here. Okay, and I'm just going to rename it as Terraform. Okay, so if you see, there is an executable file here. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this executable from downloads to my user local bin so that I can execute it. Okay, so I'm just going to move this from downloads, this executable from downloads to user local bin, and once it is done, you should be able to run your Terraform commands. So I'm going to verify the installation by running a simple Terraform command. Okay, so yeah, we are able to run this command, so we should be good here. So